Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Summer vacations are here, where we all are revising previously learned things and trying to learn some new things, right? So now, here I want to show you a simple and easy to understand 2-digit multiplication strategy. After watching this video, I guarantee you can able to solve any 2-digit multiplication accurately without any confusion. In our previous video, we have discussed the 2-digit into single-digit multiplication, a simplest strategy. If you haven't seen our previous video, I insist you to go to our channel and watch the previous video on multiplication. You can find the link for the same video in the description below, or you can click on the icon above. Okay, now let's move into our today's video. The concept we are discussing here is quite similar to traditional method of multiplication, but the method is very clear and easy to understand. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So as we have discussed, this is 2-digit into 2-digit multiplication strategy. So take any 2-digit multiplication numbers. For example, here I'll be taking 56 into 32. Okay, 2 digits. That's why we will be drawing 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 digits, 2 rows, 2 columns. For 56, I'll write 50 and 6. I'll just split the 50 and 6 here and write 56. 32, same way. 30 and 2. Now multiplying these two. 30 into 53 into 5. 15. 5 3 is 15 and 20 I'll be giving here. Right? 20. Then multiplying this with this. 2 and 5. 5 was 10 and 10. Same way, 30 into 6, 3 into 6 and 10. Same way, 6 into 2. I just need to add all these numbers. So writing this number in order, I'll write 180 plus 180 plus 100 plus 12. Now adding this 4 number, it will give us 2. Here 8 plus 1 9, 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7 and 1. The answer is 1792. Now let's check this answer with the traditional method, and you will get to know how this method is, box method is simplest method than the traditional method of multiplication. In traditional method, what will we do? We are multiplying 2 with 6. 6 2 is 12. Okay, carry 1. Then cross multiplication. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Right? Then again cross multiplication with this digit. 6 3 is 18. Carry 1 again. Then 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16. Right? Now the answer will be 2. 8 plus 1 9. 6 plus 1 7. And 1792. 1792. The answer is same, right? But here you will get lot of confusion, and it is difficult to understand when you are teaching to kids for the first time, right? When we are teaching our kids for the first time 2-digit multiplication, by this method it will create a lot of confusion. This is very clear to understand, very clear to explain, and gives the result faster, right? Let's see another example. 92 into 56. So as it is 2-digit into 2-digit, I will be drawing 2 rows and 2 columns. Fine. So here 92. Splitting this number 50 and 6. So 9 5 are 45, right? And 20. Then 5 into 2. 10 plus adding 10. Then 6 into 9. 54, right? Adding 10. Then 6 into 2. 12. Okay. Simply adding this number, writing in order. Adding this 4 number, you'll get the answer. The answer is 5 and 5 2. Right? Explain one more problem and you will be thorough with this technique. 69 into 53. 69 and 53. Right? For this box, we will be multiplying 50 into 60. So 6 5 is 30 and 20. right? Then same for the upper box, we'll be multiplying 50 into 9. 9 5s are 45 and 1 0. Then for this box, 60 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 1 0. Then 9 into 3, 27. Got it? Now we have to just arrange these numbers in their order. Adding these numbers together, you'll get the answer 7. The answer is 3657. Isn't it easy? Yes, absolutely. I'm sure guys you understood this method, and if you love this method, please do write me in the comment section below how you find this method easy or understandable, and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. See you in next video.